Hey everyone, in my previous video I have shown you what all things you can get from a DVD player. So in today's video I will show you how you can make your own bench power supply. Things which you're gonna require for the same are here. This is the circuit board which I have taken from the DVD player, and these are the joystick type switches and a box and some LEDs and their current limiting resistance. So now here is a circuit diagram for the same. This is the board which I have got from the DVD, and these are the switch. This here, this is the ground bar, and these thing are the screw which I am going to use for making the connections. Now let's see the making of it. So now I have made some holes. These are the 18 holes and one space over here and another space over here. These 6 are for the switches, and these are for the LEDs, and these are for the screws. Here I will place the switch, and here I will place the wire, this thing over here. Now I'm going to place the board inside it and do the further connections. Now I have placed the LEDs over here, and these are the heat shrink tubes inside which I have connected a resistance and made a common ground also. You can see all the ground of the LEDs are common. Now I'm going to connect the switches. I'm going to place the switches over here, over these holes, and then connect all these switches to the board. Now I have placed all these switches and screws and LEDs. Now I'm going to place the board and do the soldering work of it. Now as you can see, I have placed the board and connected the wires, and almost everything is ready, but I just need to connect this main wire to these 2 terminals over here, and then we will check the working. Now guys, I have completed all the soldering work and pasting work also. Now I'm going to show you the working. This port is working, this port is working, this port is also working. See, all the ports are working. And now I will measure the voltage of each and every port using my multimeter. It says 10 volts, and it says again 11 volts, and it says 10 volts, and it says around 5 volts, and here it's 5 volts, and here it's again 5 volts. There is something you need to see over here. There is negative voltage. Here it is a negative voltage, and I have made some changes in the circuit also. The modified circuit you can get it from the description. Now I'm going to cover the back panel and complete the video. So guys, my product is ready. I have covered the back with a cardboard and I've shown you the working. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope you like. Then do subscribe to my channel, Mr. IC. Thank you guys.